Use the Monitoring Areas program to configure functionality and display settings for monitoring screens at different locations within your club that you wish to monitor using the Activity Monitoring program. An example of a room where you can track activity would be a swimming pool, gym, recreational facility, or any exclusive area where your members would need to check in, or you want to track its capacity. Select New to set up a new monitoring area, or select an existing monitoring area to review or make edits to it. In the General tab, use the Monitoring Purpose drop-down to determine whether this area will be used to display information to staff or members. If selecting staff use, this will ensure that member information is displayed to staff only. Enter a unique description with a max of 35 characters to identify the monitoring area. Ensure the active field is flagged to make sure this monitoring area can be assigned to a workstation. Use the Configure button to open the monitoring area configuration screen. The options available will depend on the monitoring purpose selected. Let's take a look at staff use. In the General tab, the Unsuccessful Read section allows you to define how an unsuccessful check-in attempt should display and sound like. Enable the Force window on top of other Windows field to have the system force the monitoring screen over the rest of the programs on your computer after an unsuccessful check-in attempt. Use the drop-down to set when to play check-in sounds. You can enable manual check-ins for the monitoring area if the eligible activity types also allow manual check-ins. I will show you how to select activity type shortly. Optionally flag to do not display check-in confirmation on screen. Timeout lets you define the time it should take for clients' details to appear on the monitoring screen after check-in. The default is 0 minutes and 3 seconds. If you select to display age in either the monitoring screen or display area, then you can also use the Display Restriction Age section to restrict displaying the age if it is less than the number of years entered in the available field. The Client Display Details tab allows you to determine what information should be displayed on the monitoring screen, as well as the Details area, which shows additional information within the monitoring screen. To add information to the monitoring screen and/or Details area, select the plus sign next to Member Information in the Available Member Information pane. Select any information element, then use the green arrow to move it to the selected Member Information pane. Use the blue arrow to remove any member information element from the screen selection. Use the Delete button to remove all selected member information. You can use the up and down arrows to set the appearance order of the selected member information. Note that for the monitoring screen, a maximum of 2 information fields can be selected. Use the buttons for each display area to optionally set a custom text color and background color. You can copy and paste selected member information and text/background color from one screen to another by using the Copy button and the Paste button. Once you are happy with the settings and selections, select Save to confirm your changes. Now let's take a look at the configuration for a member display monitoring purpose. In the General tab, you can configure check-ins to expire after a specified number of minutes. Once expired, check-ins will no longer display on the activity tracking terminal. The default time is 0 minutes. You can also customize the monitoring area by adding a header caption, caption color, logo, and a background image. You can optionally choose to display member photos as well. You also have the option to display age, if age has been added to the information to display on the monitoring screen pane, and if it is less than the number of years entered in the available field. Use the Client Display Details tab to determine what information should be displayed on the monitoring screen using the same steps we just looked at. A maximum of 2 fields can be selected. Once you are happy with the settings and selections, select Save to confirm your changes. Use the Activities tab to select which activity type should be included for this area. After you have finished the configuration for the monitoring area, select Save, and repeat this process to set up any other monitoring areas that are required. Now that you have set up monitoring areas, you can assign a default monitoring area to a workstation. Select the applicable workstation, then select the Activity Tracking tab. Use the default monitoring area drop-down to select the monitoring area, and select Save to save your changes. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more how-to videos, and don't forget to subscribe.